If you're looking to get into the world of customizing your truck, a lift kit is a fantastic place to start. With it you'll be upgrading your heavy-duty truck with off-road capability, a tough new look and so much more. One of the only troubles is finding the right lift kit. Let's get to the point and discuss the top 5 best lift kit for Chevy 2500HD. Number 1. Supreme Suspension's Full Lift Kit for 2011 to 2020 Silverado Sierra 2500HD. If you are looking for a quality 3-inch lift kit for Chevy 2500HD, this one from Supreme Suspensions is for you. This lift has a lift that ranges from 1 to 3 inches in the front and 1 to 1.5 inches in the back. You can expect this lift to be twice double the strength of lift kits on the market. Highlighted features. Sensational customer service. Ideal for 4-wheel drive 2500 HDs. Very easy to put on your truck in less than 2 hours. Stellar value for the money you pay. The instructions make things very easy for you. The U-bolts are stronger than they look. Number 2, Ready Lift 66 to 3000 and 11 2.25 inches front leveling kit with forged torsion key. As one of the best Silverado lift kit options on planet Earth, this product is still being serviced by Ready Lift, which means you will get some great customer service over the years. There is a quality user manual to get you through the installation process with ease. Highlighted features. A very safe and fast way to lift your truck. Can use wheels wider than 9 inches. Comes with 2 torsion keys that are forged. No mod requirements for this lift kit. Do not need drop spacers with this product. Adds a smoother ride to any truck. Number 3, MotoFab Lifts TKGM 3500 WSE 1 to 3 inch leveling lift kit. If you are looking for a 1 to 3 inch kit, then you are in the right place. With an adjustable key that raises the front between 1 to 3 inches, the front portion of this kit adds in shock extenders. Since the manufacturer is still in business, you will continue to get the best customer service on the planet as well. Highlighted features. Amazing packaging with the product inside. Will give you plenty of room. Leveling is ideal with this product. No rubbing will happen with this product. No need for shock extenders. Half the price of other well-known lift kits. Number 4. Rough Country 2-inch leveling kit fits 2011 to 2019 GMC Sierra 2500. The Rough Country store enters the fold with one of the best lift kits for Chevy 2500 HD models. When you install this product, you will get a blend of protection, style, and performance all wrapped into one. Highlighted features. No drilling is required with this product. The installation time is very quick. Take on the elements with ease. FMVSS 16 compliant. Has warranty guard. Comes with 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Number 5, Wolf 3-inch front 2-inch rear lift leveling kit for 2011 to 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. The GMC 2500 HD lift kit reviews need to have Wolf as a top option. First off, the kit works for 2011 to 2019 Chevy and GMC vehicles with 8 lug systems. Having a 2 or 4-wheel drive does not matter with this lift kit. Highlighted features. Very easy to put in your truck. Made with durable materials. Solid brand to work with. Allows you to add new tires and rims. Inexpensive compared to other products. Perfect fit with the U-bolt system. You now know what is the best lift kit for Chevy 2500 HD. You should feel accomplished and ready to roll. If you like this video, please share with others. Thanks for watching.